So here I'm discussing very important topic that is called how to create the perfect YouTube channel. What are the important in a YouTube channel? What is the type of YouTube channel? Total overview of the YouTube channel. So always remember any YouTube channel main creation is called first of all increase the views and based on the increase the earnings. But in a YouTube channel creation will be two types. One is user channel, second will be brand channel. First one, select by your channel. This is your name channel, means your profile channel. This channel we can't give access any user with a login Gmail and password. This is a user channel. How to check? Go to YouTube settings. In this setting, we can't give access your this user by any users. But here one more option is there in your YouTube channel that is called brand channel. Which one? Brand. Create new channel. Select your name. Click for create. Brand channel user channel will be one different. User will be channel only can access by Gmail and password. But brand channel we can access to n number of Gmail. They log in with another Gmail and password also. This is your option. Now click for sign in. Common channel we have two channels only for brand here. I'll show how to access brand channel multiple users. Click for customize channel. Now you can active first menu bar purpose. Go for settings, active and reactive. Save. Now you can see your menu option will be activate. Home, video, playlist, channel, discussion and about. In this, first of all, go to YouTube setting. This brand channel, you can give access to n number of users. How? Add and remove for manager. They give the total three permission: owner, manager, communication manager. So manage your permission. Select your profile. See this owner and communication manager. So no need we can give the login and password. The channel will give access to the brand channel. We can access to the n number of Gmail to access and upload the video and edit your content and promote your content. So that is called any YouTube channel will be created only for support by the brand channel. And suppose you are creating for user channel, you are very good subscribers and will convert into brand. User will be brand also. User channel will convert as a brand channel also. That will be accept on your YouTube settings. Where is go for advanced settings. In this, move channel your Google account, different brand account. Your brand will be converted as a user channel. User will convert as a brand channel. So I enter the password here. After enter password, see this. Brand move to user channel also. User channel move to brand channel also. Any will be accept. Any will be accept. Total depend on your settings. The option will be advanced. Now my channel will be ready. Click for my channel. First important point. Menu activation. Done. Menu activation done. The menus will be total. We have home, video, playlist, channel, discussion and about. After finishing, go to about, add your details. First channel description and your channel location. Without adding channel location, we can't enable monetization. That is called your YouTube earnings. Without adding your country, we can't enable your YouTube monetization. Now, links. Links will be added here, everything. I'll add it for now, will be dummy. So right now I don't have any URLs. I'm adding for only for dummy things. Instagram. Now click for save. I'm adding for country. I'm adding for social icons. You can add by total size icon will be total 5. You can add website, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Or else you can go for add by your blogger also. Now added here Facebook and your icon. Next one, add your logo. Click edit. The logo size will be 500 by 500. The logo size will be 500 by 500. Upload. I'm adding for icon. Done. These are the major important point. Add your YouTube channel. Then refresh. Icon done. The logo. Now very important point. You finish your contact info, site and story. Your profile will be proper needed information. Contact info, site and story. You can add later. You can add by now also. Now I can add by later. Where you can change for when you click for edit, you can add by your logo, add your contact information, sites and your story. Next, description. Digital marketing, interview, question and answers 2019. This customer purpose is a digital marketing, interview question and answers. Select it. Now add your email. Email why? To people contacting purpose. The email will be to people contacting purpose. Save. First option. First you are prepared by the channel with your user and brand channel. Next will be create your menu box and about information with your location, description and social icons and email. Country will be if not added, we can't enable your monetization. And channel art. This channel art will be accept 2560 into 1440. How much? 2560 into 1440. This will be TV. In your mobile and desktop, 2080 into 1152. In the 2560, they will select the one particular size will be 2080 into 1152. Check your channel art. I can select by my gallery option. So select desktop, TV and mobile. TV will be 2560 into 1440. Desktop and mobile will be 2080 into 1152. In the size, the setting for your very less size 2080 into 1152. Submit. Is it clear? This is called to add your channel art. So I'm writing for existing one I'm using. Later you can change your channel art. This is the third option. Fourth one, go to video manager. Very important point that is called channel verification. Channel verification. if you not verify your channel, they're not supporting for the large videos, longer videos, nothing but more than 50 minutes video we can't upload with your channel verified. Second thing is the channel will be not verified, affected by the custom thumbnail. Custom thumbnail. Now is a new version. If you go for old version, Creator Studio Classic. For that, this is a Classic Studio. In this, we can go for channel, total YouTube depending on the channel option. Now, first click for verify. Verify your code and text, add your mobile number. I'll do for verification. So, click for submit. Now, click for continue. So, this one. So, uploading longer video enable, monetization eligible. Why? I'm adding country and phone number verification, live streaming, everything will be here. Two things are very important: custom URL and your earnings. Earnings will be 1000 subscriber, 4000 hour of views. 1000 subscriber, 4000 hour of views. And the second one, custom ID, that is called custom URL. The URL will be eligible when channel getting for 100 subscribers. When channel enable for 100 subscriber, and ending along with they are activated for community tab. Which one? Community tab. The required for community tab minimum 1000 subscriber and 4000 hour of views to enable by monetization. Community purpose to any video promoted by the multiple titles and images and create a poll option. They will be eligible on particular community tab. This is a very important on your YouTube channel. One is customize URL, 100 subscriber need for your any earnings required for 1000 subscriber and 4000 hour of views. Third will be to enable community tab require 1000 subscriber and 4000 hour of views. And two things: copyright strike, community guideline strike. At a time, you can get the 3 strike, account will be disabled. And each strike, the time period will be 3 months. If we got on strike, strike will be 2 violation. One is copyright strike, community guidelines. Copy nothing but if you copy any music or any visualization, there will be strike. Community guidelines, any YouTube guidelines will be your reach. They will be community guidelines. Any strike will be accepted how many months? Up to 3 months. Next, your upload default. Add your posting types, public, unlisted, and private, and your this into education field, and everything will be ready. Very important option is called language, and click for save. Any channel, first of all, you select by video language. It's a very mandatory field. Next one, branding. Brand nothing but people easily identify your watermark in a video. That is your watermark here. Now click for save. After adding this option, the watermark will show by entire video or start time or end time. This will show for start time or entire video. When any video will be played, they're showing one pop-up, subscribe my channel. That is a watermark pop-up. Any video, total video, they're showing for one pop-up option. That is a subscribe my channel. And final thing is called advanced. Final thing is called advanced. In this advanced, first of all, select your country and your channel keywords. Total YouTube channel depend option is the channel keywords. That is called Channel option call is advanced. Is a very important option. Any channel to promotion or views in increasing only for channel keywords. Next for adding the website URL and Google Analytics ID. This mean by to activate check the YouTube channel live traffic. Second will be association. Nothing but to drive the traffic YouTube channel video to your website. YouTube channel video to your website. Any link will be not accept. You're not adding for associate your website. Suppose the option will be not valid, is not showing. That means your channel will be not verified. The channel will be not verified. Is a very important question on your particular YouTube channel creation. Total depend on your channel option. Which one? Status and future, upload default, branding and advanced. To check anything will be analytics. And the final touch is in YouTube. If you want any kind of music to download by the create, the option call is audio library. What are the music you want? Play and download it. They're totally free for any channels. Total free for any channel, including YouTube or Dailymotion, Vimeo. This video we can use, no copyrights. Listen the song and download the song. This is a very user feature is called a YouTube option. Next one, a YouTube channel. If you start the live streaming, you can enable live streaming option. After get started, they activate exactly 24 hours of time. After get started, the activation time will be how much? 24 hours of time. Ready in 24 hours. So any live stream will be start the new channel. Impossible. They start after 24 hours. Is it clear? This is a very important option when you are running on YouTube channel.